big concern right now. One of the hospitals I worked at in Ohio was a large university campus. And what's coming up right now is millions of women and girls moving onto campuses to start their college semesters. With that comes massive amounts of sexual assault. And it's not just girls getting date raped. It's women and trans people being abused by their teachers, being abused by people that they're supposed to be able to trust. And those people in those situations are intimidated and they're bullied from getting health care. And we need to make it legal and unstigmatized. Our demand here today is to say that this decision must not stand, legal abortion on demand. We will not accept another moment of this.
These are women in Latin America, in Chile, and Mexico. We wear this green in solidarity with them, our hermanas. The green represents safe and legal abortion. Post Roe? Hell no! Hell no! Oh, hell no! Post Roe? Hell no! Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no!
As a young woman, it's deja vu, and it doesn't feel right that my mother and my grandmother had to be on the streets fighting for this, and then here I am again after we thought the fight was won. And it's not won yet, but we're on our way, and I think we're really worried. All of the young people that I know, we're worried for our future, and that's why we're here. We're here for our future, and we're here for the future of everyone else to come. And I don't want my children to have to go through the same thing. I don't want them to have to be here fighting. And yeah, that's why we're here.
Right now, they're trying to say that they're not coming for contraception,
Liar.
that they're not coming for gay marriage.
Liar.
They all lied.
Is this Rise Up for Abortion Rights?
Hi, everybody.
Down to education. I can't tell my students my philosophies and my ideas, but I do teach them. There's fact and there's fiction. I'm here today because I was shocked about the decision that happened in the Supreme Court. I never thought in a million years that would happen. So I'm here to support women and everyone that thinks that was a terrible decision. I really want the message to get out. I want those judges to know that we're out here, that we're upset, and that we want to change things. We're not going to take their decision.
We are not accepting this loss. We are not accepting this defeat. For abortion rights is and is about, and this is why you are here, and this is why you are being recruited to live. So Rise Up for Abortion Rights is calling right now for millions of us, hundreds of thousands.
Or even really a specific generation. Like, I think that that's all good, but that's not why I'm personally.
First off, it's important for me. Sorry. It's important for me as a woman to stand up for women who maybe don't have the opportunity and the privilege to be here today. It's even more important for me to stand up as a healthcare provider, as a nurse, because access to abortion and safe and legal abortion is healthcare. It's a fundamental right. Bodily autonomy is a fundamental human right, and I'm here in support of that right.
It is happening here.
Yes.
What do we think? How do we think this is going to inflame? Because forced motherhood is female enslavement. Because all of us woke
with the overturn of Roe versus Wade, we're going back to 1973, even though, even we are seeing how the liberties and the body autonomy of women and people that can procreate, how their rights are being taken away. And this is just the beginning. We are protesting here for everybody's right to have body autonomy, for the undocumented women, for the black women, for the indigenous women, for the women in violent domestic partnerships, and women that are going to get pregnant against their will. How is possible that AR-15 has more right in this country than a woman? We're failing our girls if we're not out in the streets. It doesn't matter if we're not in a state where these laws aren't being enacted. We have to show them support. We have to show them that they're not alone. And that's why I think it's important to be here and to show up everywhere.